Hi there, Sherman Coders. This is Miss Linvay down in the library, and I am going to show you really quick how to navigate through Scratch to find all the great useful tools and tutorials that are found here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into Scratch using that new login that we just created. If you haven't created that yet, go ahead and check out the previous video on how to set up your Scratch account and then confirm it so that you'll be able to share your codes with me. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put my name in here, my username. It's your username, not your email, and not your school password, not that one. All right, so then whatever password you created, if you did forget your password, don't worry, you can still you can click on the need help, and that'll take you through some questions to figure out how to get your password sent to you via email so you can reset it. All right, so once I'm able to log in, we get logged in, and it's going to open up to the Scratch sort of default page. And this page really has a lot of great information on it. On the right here, you'll see Scratch News. The Wiki is a really helpful resource. If you go ahead and click on that, it'll take you to the Scratch Wiki. There's also things that are coming out in New Scratch Design Studio. That looks really exciting. And below, they have featured products and featured studios. If you click on the Explore button, that also will take you to the featured products and studios. And this is a great place to go to get some inspiration or some ideas of what's possible to do in Scratch. And I'm sure you guys are already seeing the Among Us there. I haven't clicked on that yet. Go ahead and give it a shot and see what that's all about. Wouldn't that be cool if one of you guys could create Among Us or recreate Among Us? So at the top here, this is your navigation bar. You have messages. You have your project folder. That's where your stuff is. This is your account information. So if you wanted to change your profile picture or your account settings or anything like that. And of course, if you wanted to sign out, that's how you would do it. So ideas and about pretty much are the same thing that we see in Explorer, except for about goes into some details about why Scratch was created and who did all the creating, all the fun stuff at MIT to make Scratch possible. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to click on Create. And in Create, that's what this will do is we'll open up a brand new project for you to start coding in. And I'm not going to go into details on how to do that because Scratch has some really great tutorials for you already. And I would like you to go through and watch some of them. And if you still have questions, you just have to let me know down in the library and I will figure them out with you. Or if I feel like it's something I think most students would want to know, I may just make another video to help you guys out. So right here at the top in that blue navigation bar again, you'll see tutorials. And if you click on that, it opens up all of the different tutorials that are available to you. And I do strongly suggest going through them. They pretty much all three codes for this coding challenge can be found here. The tools can be found in these tutorials to create them. So there's only a few things where I had to go out to the internet and do a Google search to find how you do something. And that's the great thing about, I think, the modern age that we are living in, everyone, is that if you have a question, the best thing to do is to go to a Google, type in the program that you're trying to learn about, so Scratch. How do I make a sound effect for my sprite? Now, sprites are what they call their characters. And once you type that in, you're going to get all kinds of different tutorials. Some of them are videos on YouTube. Some of them will be written instructions. So whatever you find easiest to navigate would be what you would choose. So I just wanted to show you this really quick. I don't have a lot of time in this video, but when you open the tutorial, there will be a video that you watch first. And then as you click through this, you'll see the step-by-steps on how that process worked. All right. So those tutorials will be really crucial to your ability to compete in this Coding Crush challenge. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call or stop down in the library and we'll help you out. Good luck.